In this video course, we're going to finally delve deep into learning Blender for architectural design. We're going to talk about creating a small tower with a nice podium that's full with retail. Initially, we'll look at setting up the file and setting up our context for our project. So in the first video, we're going to cover how to create the massing. The second video will focus more on the tower and how to generate a twisting tower. In the third part, we'll focus on the podium glass and making really nice glazing storefront type of architecture. And then we'll focus about presentation, sort of very diagrammatic presentations. These aren't meant to be photorealistic, but something that gives you an idea of the overall scale and atmosphere of the project. We'll also look at how to create a 3D section, and then we'll do a slight post-processing with Krita, that's right, another open source tool for presenting our work in a better way. Really excited about this. It's been a long time in the making. As you can see, my beard and my hair has grown quite a bit. We're going to cover all the basic steps of any project so you can apply this to the type of project that we're going to be showing or to really anything else, because the process is exactly the same. And stay tuned for a rendering course coming up that will build on top of the knowledge that we'll be generating with this modeling course here. So looking forward for you to join me on this, and see you soon.